T100s are some of the hardest trucks to build sliders onto, and that is why you don't see people selling rock sliders for T100s, because it's a pain in the behind. Hey YouTube, so in today's episode we are installing a new set of slider onto this T100 here. Right now I'm just prepping her to get installed. Here I'll show you there. Okay, I've marked those areas with my permanent marker, and I'm going to grind those areas up so I can install the legs. This guy's running 35-inch tire, Mickey Thompson, 35 by 12.5 by 15 LT. Man, this is a pretty truck. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. Right now I'm working on tacking up the sliders here for him. I've marked my spots where the legs are gonna go on, and now I'm gonna mock this one up again. Okay guys, so she is mocked up. That's how she looks like. This is just mocked up only. She's got no legs attached to her yet, so we're gonna be mocking a leg onto her. Okay guys, so this is what I've done so far. Show you what I did here. You can see that those are tack marks. Tack there, tack there, tack there. And this is what I did. I've tacked that there, tacked this onto the plate here, tacked this onto the plate, same thing. And then I'm gonna start grinding this side, grinding that side, grinding that side, and grinding that side as well. And then I'm gonna finalize this weld right here on this unit. I'm gonna slap this one on, then I'm gonna start working on that side over there. All right guys, so we're gonna finalize our welds here. Okay, we're gonna do here first, and we're gonna do the plates here.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ say po ta cùn lu nên chúa lần thọ có tua cụ say tê en cho cụ nhỏ mua về rồi có bao tiền cụ chồng nó cho có dài buốt tao cùng nên hót lên mùa tình nghĩa của sự sinh trao từ ta chiều cùng tình lên nhau quá trời có buổi người tu cu có buổi người cho cu nhỏ mùa kế son chạy cũng mơ lên mùa cho lên tiền lại nghĩa có gì nghĩa mù nghĩa chiều cô tin lên nhau ăn chua rồi cô chỉ mua con lại chiều cô nó tua sớm buồn nhau ăn bền có bao tiếng cũng trong nó để cho có dài buốt tao cùng nên hót lên mùa tình nghĩa của sự sinh trao từ ta chiều cùng tình lên nhau quá trời có buổi người tu cu có buổi luôn cho cu nhỏ mùa kế son chạy cũng mơ lên mùa vì cô chỉ cho lên tiền lại nghĩa cô gì nghĩa mù nghĩa chưa cô tin lên nhau ăn chua rồi cô chỉ mua con lại chỉ cô nó tuôn giông son chạy cũng mơ lên mùa vì cô chỉ cho lên tiền lại nghĩa cô gì nghĩa mù nghĩa chưa cô tin lên nhau ăn chua rồi cô chỉ mua con lại chỉ cô nó tua trong buồn nhau anh bền
Okay guys, so this side is done. I'll show you here. That's the odd leg in the front right here. Okay. Second leg, third leg, and fourth leg go down there. So she's solid. This is how she looks like. Alright, looks really nice. Super duper nice. Okay guys, so right now she's all welded on, she's complete. So what we're going to do is we are going to be testing her, and this is for the purpose of, just in case we have a flat up here, we're able to use the rock slider here, the outer rail, as a jacking point to jack the truck up so we could change the tire. Okay, and in doing so, we're testing the integrity of the welds and of the slider. So here we go. the name of the game is to jack this up until this tire here gets off the ground and free spinning. And I'm seeing a tiny little flex.
You doing your video?
Yeah. there you go. She's done. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna test this, and she opens. Okay. And right now it's still 2-finger apart here. Right here it's a little bit more than 1 finger, 1.5 finger. The reason is because this is where it's flexing. Okay, so that's that. Looks really good. I'm gonna release this. Should come back to its own original point. There you go. And that's it, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are.
chỉ xa gió tu có chỉ lu để chỉ cứu cho người nó cho có bối yuan cho mùa kề giờ có bao tia cũng cho người nó để cho có trái bút tao cũng luôn nén ở lên mùa tình nghĩa tôi sẽ xin trao tới ta chiều cùng tình lên nhau quá trời có bối yuan tu cùng có bối yuan cho